Hello, everyone, and welcome back. So, you want to start your own internet radio station, but you're stuck choosing between Icecast and Shoutcast. Well, then let me break it down in simple terms. Both are servers that stream your music to listeners online. Think of them as engines behind your radio station. They've been around since the late 90s, and they're still the top two choices today. Shoutcast is the older, more popular option. It's owned by a company and requires a paid license. The big win here is the Shoutcast directory. Your station gets listed on their website, which means more people can find you. It's like being in a huge phone book where listeners browse for new stations. Setup is pretty easy too, even for beginners. It works with MP3 streams, which every device can play. However, Shoutcast isn't free, and you're limited to MP3 format only in newer versions. You also can't change much under the hood since it's not open source. Icecast is the free open source alternative. It's totally free to use, and you can tweak it however you want since the code is available to everyone. Here's where Icecast shines. It supports every form of audio format like OGG, Opus, and AAC, giving you better sound quality. You can run multiple streams on one server using mount points. This means you can switch between live shows and automated playlists without cutting off your listeners. The downside, Icecast's directory is smaller, so fewer people will stumble upon your station. You might need to promote it yourself. So, which one should you choose? Go with Shoutcast if you're just starting out and want easy exposure. The directory will help you find listeners fast. Choose Icecast if you want more control, better sound quality, and don't mind promoting your station yourself. It's also great if you plan to do live shows since it handles switching automatically. Both are great. Your choice depends on whether you value easy discovery or advanced features. Either way, you'll be broadcasting in no time. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.